Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today in this video I'm going to discuss the syllabus of class 9 information technology, CBSE class 9 information technology syllabus. Uh, so basically, if I talk about the syllabus, information technology subject code is 402. If to note it down. Yes, I forgot to share my screen. Yeah, so basically, information technology, that is subject code is 2402, to note it down. And this there are two units, or basically two parts in this information technology for both class 9 and 10. So today in this video we'll discuss only class 9. So part A consists of 5 chapters, and part B consists of 5 chapters. That means both are 5 chapters. Okay, so basically we have to understand two things: that the marks distribution. So first of all, part A, one is unit 1 communication skills 1, self-management skills 1, ICT skills 1, entrepreneurial skills 1, green skills 1. So among this, self-management skills and entrepreneurial skills consist of highest marks. Okay, so and unit 1 communication skills consist of 2 marks, unit 2 self-management skills consist of 3 marks, ICT skills consist of 1 mark, entrepreneurial skills consist of 3 marks, and green skills consist of 1 marks. So so basically total 10 marks will be there for part A, and you have to understand total marks first of all. So my total marks is 100, and among 100, 50 is practical theory and the other 50 is practical. Okay, so that is 40 marks. My major theoretical marks is 40 marks. Okay, that 40 marks will consist of that 40 marks will come from part B. Okay, so my part B is consisting 40 marks, and my part A is consisting of 10 marks, isn't it? So my part B is becoming very important from exam point of view. No doubt part A is also important, but from part A, part B is a bit complicated. I would not say that complicated, but it's important. And part A, it's completely theoretical, and part B is practical. Okay, part B, particularly these three chapters, these are completely practical based chapters. Digital documentation, here we will deal with basically OpenOffice or LibreOffice. Okay, LibreOffice document, and then electronic spreadsheet, digital presentation. Okay, I have not seen that whether they have prescribed LibreOffice or Microsoft Office, but during our time it was LibreOffice. Okay, yes, LibreOffice. Yes, they have mentioned example LibreOffice. So LibreOffice is very much needed. Actually, it is. Actually, it is. From my point of view, it should be Microsoft Office. Okay, but it should be Microsoft Office. But I don't know why CBSE has prescribed LibreOffice, because 90% of the offices from, you say IT, you say non-IT offices, everywhere Microsoft Office is used. Okay, Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office Excel, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, everything is used under Microsoft Office suite. But I don't know why there is CBSE has prescribed LibreOffice. Okay, so this is my I'm not able to identify what's the reason behind it. Okay, So since CBSE has prescribed, so nothing to do with it. We have to learn LibreOffice. Okay, so basically under part B there are 5 chapters: Introduction to IT, ITES, which consists of 4 marks. Okay, data entry and keyboarding skills, Unit 2, 6 marks. Digital documentation, 10 marks. Electronic expression, 10 marks. Digital presentation, 10 marks. So total 40 marks. So total 40 marks. Okay, so 40 is from part B and 10 is from part A. So together makes it 50 marks. Okay, together makes it 50 marks. And the rest 50 marks will come from my practical side. So what is practical? Let us understand. Practical, basically there will be 35 marks practical exam and 15 marks portfolio or practical student portfolio, say. During our time also portfolio was also there. Okay, so portfolio means nothing. You have to do a project, okay, which is based on part B sites, that is documentation, spreadsheet, presentation, so these things. So part C there is Viva, and in part D also Viva. Okay, my part D portfolio will consist of 10 marks and Viva will consist of 5 marks, 15 marks. 15 plus 15 plus 50 is 65 marks. 65 plus practical examination will consist of 15 marks. Written test will be there along with practical examination, will be 15, 25 marks, and Viva will be there in practical examination also. So it is 10 marks. So basically 35. 35 plus 15 is 50. Okay, 50 plus the other 50 of part A, part A and B consist of 50 marks, so total 100 marks. Okay, so 50 marks we need not to be think out, because 50 marks it is particularly it's for class 10, not for class 9. But 50 marks for class 10 case, it is in the hand of teacher only, school teacher. So that's why it should that this 50 marks we need not to be worried about. If the school teacher is good, during our time our computer teacher was very good. So that's why many of us have secured very good marks. Okay, and not only that our teacher was good, we also took our practical examination quite seriously. And the rest of the thing is that among 50 marks of practical side, many students scores 40 plus marks. Okay, 50 plus, more than 40. So this is not a thing to be thought of very complicatedly. But then yes, your practical file should be a good file. I won't say it should be excellent, but the practical file, that is the portfolio file. See, if a student fails to complete her portfolio, completely. Okay, if a student fails to complete her portfolio, then the teacher cannot do anything. Okay, so from the student side also, minimum effort is required. Okay, if it's good, if the student makes a portfolio in a very in a very lucrative, or in a very in a very beautiful way. Okay, so then it is very good. But then the portfolio should be good, because portfolio, the practical file, and the practical examination, these are the two important parts of our entire 100 marks. Okay, if these two can be, if in 50 marks, if a student can score 45 marks, then it is very good. Or it is, and it is also easy also that a student can easily score 50 out of 50. So that is not a big thing. And in theory also, the computer question paper generally comes very easy, just like water. So okay, so this I mean, in your entire class 10 examination, the computer subject will be your easiest subject. Okay, this is a very easy subject. Okay, and the question paper also, mm, I mean, a question paper is also predictable questions. Okay, I mean, I will also discuss the question paper, the previous year question papers, but then it is very, uh, I mean, it's a very easy question comes. Okay, so overall, so this is the thing about syllabus. Okay, the syllabus is also very easy. This is not at all complicated. But then part B is a bit important than part A. Okay, because part B is getting more marks, and we don't. And part B is important. This doesn't mean that part A is not important. Part A is also important. Okay, so both the parts has to be taken equally. Equal importance should be given. Okay, so that is the thing, and I will discuss the chapters soon. Okay, already some chapters are discussed in my YouTube channel, so the rest of the chapters I will discuss. And another thing, we'll discuss question papers. As I already said, some test papers, question papers will be discussed time to time. So this will also go on. Thank you.